Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0630 is associated with a critical issue known as VIN not programmed or mismatch. This error appears specifically when the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, does not possess the vehicle identification number, VIN, data that corresponds to the vehicle it controls. The role of the PCM is vital as it governs the engine and transmission operations, utilizing inputs from various sensors to ensure optimal performance. Located typically in the engine bay, the PCM requires accurate VIN information to function correctly. When this information is missing or mismatched, several issues may arise affecting the vehicle's performance and diagnostics. It's essential to address this error promptly to prevent any further complications in vehicle operation. DTC P0630 is stored when the PCM lacks the vehicle's VIN. The VIN is vital as it uniquely identifies the vehicle, ensuring that the correct software and operational parameters are applied by the PCM. Located in the engine area, the PCM is responsible for controlling various engine functions based on input from numerous sensors. If the PCM does not recognize the VIN, it can lead to performance issues and may prevent the engine from starting. The HDS, or Honda Diagnostic System, is used to assess and reprogram this vital information. Confirming proper VIN programming is essential for ensuring the stability and reliability of the vehicle's performance. Several causes may lead to DTC P0630 appearing. The most common reason is that the VIN information is simply missing from the PCM. This can happen due to various factors, such as a failed PCM replacement without reprogramming the VIN. Another cause could be that the PCM needs a reset, which could occur after certain service procedures. Additionally, a programming error with the HDS can lead to this DTC if it doesn't properly write the VIN data to the PCM. Identifying the root cause quickly can streamline the repair process and get the vehicle back to optimal condition. The symptoms associated with DTC P0630 can significantly impact vehicle operation. One of the most noticeable is the inability of the engine to start, as the PCM requires correct VIN information to initiate ignition processes. Additionally, the check engine light will illuminate on the dashboard, alerting the driver to a potential issue that needs addressing. Performance issues may also arise, leading to unexpected stalling or erratic engine behavior. Drivers might experience reduced power or efficiency, causing frustration during operation. Being aware of these symptoms can help in early identification and simplified troubleshooting. In the first troubleshooting step for DTC P0630, ensure the vehicle is in the on mode. This allows the electrical systems, including the PCM, to be active. Next, utilize the HDS to access the VIN data stored in the PCM. Carefully check to see if the HDS displays the correct VIN for the vehicle. If it does, this indicates that the PCM recognizes the VIN information, and you can proceed to step 4. Conversely, if the HDS doesn't show the VIN, it suggests a mismatch or absence of VIN data, leading us to the next step in reprogramming. If the HDS does not display the vehicle's VIN, the next step is to rewrite or input the correct VIN information into the PCM. This should be done using the HDS to ensure that the information is accurately recorded. Following input, check the HDS for a status message indicating complete. This message confirms that the VIN has been successfully written to the PCM. If the message shows complete, you can move on to step 4. If not, you will need to proceed to the next troubleshooting step to identify other possible issues. After addressing the VIN rewrite, the next step involves checking for any additional diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs. Using the HDS, select the option to check for pending or confirmed DTCs. One specific code to look out for is DTC P0630, which indicates a keep alive memory error within the PCM. If DTC P0630 is indicated, further troubleshooting for this code is required. If no additional DTCs are present, proceed to step 4, confirming that no further issues are affecting the vehicle. In this final troubleshooting step, you will perform a check on the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. Start by using the HDS to clear any existing DTCs, including P0630. After this, switch the ignition to the off lock mode, and then back to the on mode after a brief pause. Wait for approximately 5 seconds to allow the systems to initialize properly. Finally, the HDS should be used once more to check for any pending or confirmed DTCs. If DTC P0630 reappears, it indicates an ongoing issue, leading to an exploration of any authorized service information relevant to this error, or possibly substituting in a known good PCM. After completing the troubleshooting steps for DTC P0630, it is crucial to perform a final repair verification. This involves consulting any authorized service information appropriate for your vehicle and the specific DTCs you have dealt with. Make sure to thoroughly assess the overall functionality of the engine and the PCM after any repairs or reprogramming. Additionally, it is beneficial to conduct a VIN recheck to ensure it is now accurately programmed within the PCM. Establishing that everything works as intended will confirm that the issue has been successfully resolved. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P0630, engaging in thorough preventive maintenance practices is highly recommended. Regular updates to the PCM can ensure that any software improvements or corrections are integrated effectively, thereby reducing the likelihood of mismatched or missing VIN data. Conducting routine diagnostics checks can also help catch potential issues before they escalate into serious problems. Additionally, maintaining the integrity of the vehicle's software and data can play a crucial role in preserving the PCM's functionality and accuracy. Following these practices will enhance the longevity and reliability of your Honda Pilot. In conclusion, DTC P0630 highlights a significant issue regarding the VIN that requires immediate attention. By following a systematic troubleshooting approach, you can effectively diagnose and correct the problem, ensuring that your Honda Pilot operates smoothly. Whether it involves checking the HDS for VIN data, reprogramming the PCM, or resolving any additional DTCs, every step is crucial to restoring functionality. Moreover, consistent preventive maintenance can greatly reduce the chances of encountering similar issues in the future. Staying proactive will enhance both the performance and reliability of your vehicle. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.